Long time no speak. Well, a super awesome friend of mine, Harry, has sort of taught me into re-vlogging, like starting it up again. I say again, I never really posted anything last time. But I did make some videos. You'll just never go and see them. But here I am, starting fresh. And what better way to begin a new YouTube life than showing you some awesome nerd fires. Now bear with me in these clips, because as much of an awesome night it was, and the cool people I met and everything. Sorry, there's just chickens roaming around. As awesome as this night was, the lighting was terrible, so I haven't exactly got the best looking footage, but you'll be able to tell from all the girly screams coming from Phil and Harry that it was good. It was real good. Now, my night didn't exactly start quite perfectly. I mean, this one's terrible. I lied to John Green.
Is there anyone who's like reasonably good at counting?
Me? No, I'm lying, I'm sorry.
Extremely good at confidence counter and you won't mess up.
I'm sorry, I failed maths.
But after that little mishap, Harry actually gave him the coolest painting that his friend Becky did. It was so cool.
Yes, that would be actually a really good time. Hey everybody, listen to Paul!
I actually thought it was going to make everybody turn around to see what Harry was giving him. I was like, oh my god, everyone's going to be looking at Harry. Yeah, my bad.
No one's you.
Except for Harry.
And after a slightly confusing visit from Alex Day...
No! We're going just behind there. And John is going to come on and then it'll be... I did not mean for this to be the start of the show.
Then we enjoyed various solo / duet / group songs as follows. Tom Wilson!
The world is strange, the world is strange. It's all a game of shooting range for apathy and empathy, psychology and therapy.
Tom Wilson and Alex Day!
Eyelashes, they're underneath your hair, but they're like hair for eyes. And they're a symbol of femininity, pulling down your eyelids reflectively, patiently. Though they perpetuate your eyesight, small insects and upright, they're aesthetically pleasing if they're long. If you put on mascara, your eyelashes stretch far up. They had nothing on. Chorus, chorus, now we're singing the chorus. Chorus, the chorus, the second part of the chorus, and it's still about eyelashes.
Eggplant!
I've been roaming around, trying to get out, and all I see painted faces, other places I can't read. You know that I can use somebody. You know that I can use somebody.
Until finally, John Green graced the stage with his almighty nerdy presence. I actually laughed so hard. I did. And now I'm really not much of a reader, you know. I've got this hearing thing and I get so easily distracted. Like, I actually get extra time in exams because I get so easily distracted. But I would seriously consider reading this book. No. I will read that book.
The way I figure it, everyone gets a miracle. Like, I will probably never be struck by lightning or stand in front of 500 people at the old distillery or win a Nobel Prize. Or become a dictator of a small nation in the Pacific Islands or contract terminal ear cancer. If I can pause for a moment. Those of you who've been watching my videos for a long, long time, I just want to tell you, thank you first off, but also, that used to be terminal eye cancer. But then I had this really strange and very serious infection behind my eye. And I was like, why chance it? Or contract terminal ear cancer or spontaneously combust. But if you consider all the unlikely things together, at least one of them will probably happen to each of us. I could have seen it rain frogs. I could have been eaten by a whale. I could have married the Queen of England or survived months at sea. I probably couldn't have actually. That plays better in America, where it seems plausible that I could marry the Queen of England. Here you guys are like a couple things. First off, she's married. Second off, super old.
Then, of course, just to put the cherry on top of the cake. Is that the phrase? I think that's the phrase. To put the cherry on top of the cake, we sang a little bit of Stuff in Your Head. Because it just had to be done. We had to tell people about, putting stuff in your head. People need to know. And I'm going to tell them.
You gotta put stuff on your head. Put stuff on your head. Oh, it can be wet, it can be red. The color doesn't matter if it's on your head.
And yeah, that was my very first Nerdfighter gathering. Hopefully not my last either. So, check back soon to hear me comment on other random events in my life. I'll be starting college soon, so that should entice some interesting stories. Bye!